Thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Capital Markets Report. Today is April 10th, 2008. Cisco Systems will buy the remaining stake in its majority-owned unit, Nuova Systems, and unveiled new network switches they co-developed for corporate data centers, reports Reuters. Director of Cisco's corporate development, Rob Salvagno, told Reuters, quote, "We believe that the data center represents $10 billion in revenue opportunities over the next 5 years. The move highlights Cisco's plan to sell more advanced network switches to data centers that are adopting virtualization technology, in which large servers run several operating systems simultaneously to save space and energy." Cisco said it was sticking to its previous commitment to pay up to $678 million for Nuova Systems, with the exact sum depending on the success of the company, which specializes in data center technology. Staying with capital markets news, foreign investors could eventually buy shares in state-controlled oil company Ecopetrol. Carolina Renteria, Colombia's Minister of Planning and Development, told Latin Finance. The offering of 10% of the company's shares would be a sequel to last year's blowout IPO, which was targeted at locals. Renteria declined to state when the overseas tranche would be done. The first placement of 10% to retail and pension funds was so well bid that the company achieved its financing target in the first round, precluding the need for further raises. Banco Colombia told the local offering, and Credit Suisse and JP Morgan were slated to underwrite the international portion. Merrill Lynch and Citi were valuation advisors. The law allows up to 20% to be sold. And in other capital markets news, the Walt Disney Company's video game arm will buy Chinese game developer Gamestar as the U.S. entertainment giant expands in China, reports the Associated Press. Following the acquisition, Gamestar will help with existing projects but may move on to developing original games for the Chinese market, Variety reported. Terms of the deal were kept confidential. And in other capital markets news in Asia, the Shriram Transport Finance Company is coming to market with a $90.9 million securitization of loans on three-wheeled vehicles, reports Total Securitization. The deal features credit enhancement in the form of liquidity facility sized at 3.62% of future receivables. The cash reserve fund will cover shortfalls in loan payments that are 90 days overdue. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Capital Markets channel online and read the latest developments.